today we are trying
out the ice rink at Canary Wharf.
Let's go! Can we get the tickets for the snowmans, please? Thank you.
Thank you. Go through.
Thank you.
Thank you.
No worries. Enjoy your day.
Now we're gonna put the boots on. This is so hard.
Yeah.
Oh. There we go. Now let's put the other one on. This is oh so hard.
Yeah.
Okay, Lorenzo, I'm ready. I'm ready too. Let's go. This is like walking normally.
Yeah.
But that's a bit strange.
Yeah.
This is so fun. So funny. Oh. I'm gonna leave from here. Goodbye. This place is so cool. The ice skating is so hard.
Let's go.
I'm okay. Ice skating is so hard, but I got the penguin to help me.
Ice skating isn't hard for me. Lorenzo, can you do this?
I can't do that. I'm so tired. No!
freezing.
That was so cool. Wow, there's a lot there. There's so much here. Some snow here that I brought. Yeah, definitely so snow.
That's a lot of snow.
We're washing the penguin.
I think he's all washed.
Yeah.
Let's just break the little pieces. Let's break them. Okay,
No, he's okay. Let's continue ice skating.
He's not stinky anymore.
I think I'm ready to go without a penguin. That's a lot of snow. I just wash him on the body.
Okay, then I wash him behind the body.
His feet. There we go. Now he's ready.
Yes. You're ready, Mr. Snowman. Let's go. Whee! Whee!
Thank you. See you soon.
Guys, it was amazing, but now I'm so cold.
Then let's go and get some hot chocolate, and I know a place. This place is called Oasis.
Okay, let's go have some hot chocolate.
Let's go. Hello, can I have some hot chocolate, please?
It's better to have a table first.
Okay.
Okay, okay, keep you safe.
Yeah.
Thanks. There you go, guys. Did you enjoy your ice skating?
Yes.
Yeah. Would you guys like some hot chocolate?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Thank you.
I have some yummy marshmallows if you'd like to put some on top.
Thank you. looks good, but I think we're missing something.
I know what we are missing.
What are we missing?
We're missing some candy.
Did someone order some yummy treats?
Wow, thank you. That's so cool. Oh, this is like a royal treat.
Yeah.
It's so good. It went by itself.
This place is amazing.
It's right at the back of the ice skating. Hello! Guys, this place is so cool.
You should totally come here. See you at the next adventure. Yay!